I got a job earlier this year without prior experience because I was able to prove to the client I could do the job. Hi guys, welcome to another demo video on how I use AI tools. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to build a portfolio with AI when you have zero experience. So back to the story, this client invited me for a job on Upwork, and while reading the job description, I knew I could do this job even though I've never done it for a client before. This is exactly what I've been doing on LinkedIn, creating demo videos on how I use AI tools. So I sent him my portfolio, and guess what? He was impressed, and he sent me an offer immediately. Awesome, right? Yeah, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. So in this channel, you already know that we don't have to prompt experts or prompt engineers to get the best output from AI. So I told AI that I wanted to build a portfolio and asked it to give me the best prompts that would get me the best output. And it delivered exactly what I needed. But you already know, I don't just copy paste. I tweaked it a little to suit my style. So I copied the prompts and pasted it back into cloud, and it gave me an amazing output. As you can see, this AI gave me a very realistic portfolio. It gave me a professional name, a digital marketing agency, and tons of potential topics I could write about. Well, I picked a newsletter topic and asked AI to write it for me. After I generated the content, I made some specific edits in Google Docs. Now, let's build my portfolio on Upwork. So I get to Upwork and I click on Add Portfolio. I fill in all the portfolio details, the title, description, and category. And then I added my newsletter link. Please, while adding your link, ensure that you grant access to clients to view it so they don't keep requesting for access every time. So I did other necessary things and I clicked publish. And just like that, my portfolio has been published. Now when the client asks, can you write a newsletter? I can confidently say yes, even though I've never written for a client before. I can show them this sample, and if they're okay with it, we get to work. Bonus tip. Another way to build a portfolio is to go on Upwork and search for real job posting. Pick a specific job, do the job as if you're hired to do it, save it, and add to your portfolio. Easy peasy, right? Yeah. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video and share with your fellow freelancers, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next AI tutorial. See you on the other side of winning. Bye!